Introducing the One and Done. A reusable, self-adjusting toilet flange seal. Years of remodeling causes the toilet flange to be buried below the floor. Traditional wax rings are not meant to be stacked. The poor sealing will cause damaging water leaks. One and Done is the deepest seal and the only gasket that compresses from 2 1/4 to 1/8 inch. The One and Done seal is easy to install. Insert he bolts into the flange. Slide the seal over the bolts and secure with the provided lock nuts. Set the toilet over the bolts and thread the retaining nuts snugly to the base. Then hand tighten 1/2 turn. Cut the bolts flush to the top of the retaining nuts with the diamond saw. Finally, place caps over the retaining nuts and secure with a 1/4 turn. The One and Done toilet seal. The only gasket that seals all flange depth with a single seal. Buy one, and you are done.